In this SEO course, today we will learn about the error 404. What is this error page and its reasons, and how can you be able to fix this problem? Friends, this is a complete guide that will be very useful in SEO. Watch the complete video, and along with SEO course, you can learn a lot of amazing courses from our channel. Subscribe and press the bell icon to not miss anything. And friends, along with this, Marketing Fundas has brought a Maha Bundle course for you all, where you can learn a lot of knowledge and skills. You can also generate instant income at the same time through this course. Guys, the link and numbers are provided in the description. You can contact through them and you can take advantage of it right away. So let's go and learn. You can call the given numbers for digital marketing services training and consultancy, or visit our website.
So hello everyone. In this particular video, we will discuss about the 404 error page. Friends, what is this 404 error and when does it display in a website? Today we will understand this in detail in this particular video. So guys, you might have seen and encountered this particular 404 error many times on some web pages or some websites you visited, right? But what is it actually? So whenever you try to search for a URL in a website or web page, and if that URL is not available at all, what do you see there? 404 error. That means when you try to search for a URL on a website, or you type the wrong URL to search, right? So what do you see in the page? 404, not found, because this is a type of error that occurs when you put the incorrect link, or maybe the page you are searching for does not exist, or perhaps it's deleted. Either you searched incorrectly, or moreover, if you search for a page incorrectly, then you get the 404 error, or another possibility is that the page has been deleted from the backend. And if you search for that page, what will happen? You get a 404 error on the web page. Understood? Okay. Now, if that page doesn't exist, or if that page has misspelled link or address that you were trying to open or made a mistake in typing, so when you try to open it, so of course, as it is obvious to understand that you will face 404 error. Let's take a dummy website, which is a WordPress website. Now here, as we come to the services page like Google Ads Services, now you are on the Google Ads Services page, right? Here we opened Google Ads. So what do you see in the slug? Google Ads. Now if I make a spelling mistake here, like I write S or double S, so what do you see? 404 error here on the page. See, as you can see this error here which states page not found, which means this page doesn't exist, right? So this 404 error page is already created on the WordPress website, where you can find an option of call to action, back to home page. From here, for an example, like by mistake, if you try to open a page or a link on a website or web page that does not exist at all, then now it's not like that. You will face errors like the site can't reach or something. What will you find here? That the page is not found. 404 error of page not found. That's what you see. Okay, so here, so friends, this is the default that you will find on the WordPress website in this type. So you don't need to do anything here. You will get such type of 404 error already on the WordPress website. So that's all for this video. In upcoming videos, we will bring more such interesting topics. Okay, so thank you so much.
Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, let me know in the comment section. Also, let me know what you want to learn in comment section. And if you want to take digital marketing training or services from Marketing Fundas, then you can contact us for that. Friends, along with this, Marketing Fundas has brought the world's easiest affiliate program for you all, through which you can start earning instant income, and that too with absolutely genuine way. The link is in the description. Click or call to get details from our manager and enroll. Thank you for watching Marketing Fundas.